In our previous session, we learned second topic's first part. In this session, I am going to teach you the next part of skipping shoes. In first part, we met a girl named as Kitty. She wants to tell to everything, no, I don't want to do, I won't do it, but she find a shoes, magical shoes, and wearing that shoes. What changes happened with the kitty we seen in the previous part. Now, what happened in the school of Kitty we are going to see in this part. Before she could say, I want, the magical shoes whisked her off to school. At break time, a girl knocked down the house of corn cobs she had built and made her angry. Now I will kick yours down, Dolly. Up went her foot, but it didn't come down. It stayed in the air as she were going to dance. The children laughed. And finally she said to Dolly, never mind, I will forgive you. Then the foot went down and Kitty understood how the shoes worked. They were cooperative when she was kind and good, but stubborn when she wanted to be naughty. To check this, when one of the boys' ball bounced over the heads, she said kindly, perhaps I can get it for you, Willie. Students, in this part, what we see? When Kitty's mama said that it's time to school. At that time, Kitty don't want to go school, but because of shoes, she suddenly reached at the school. And what happened at the school? At the break, what happened? Kitty made a house of corn cobs and one her friend named as Dolly. What she did? He break the house, knocked down, means what? Destroyed. Dolly destroyed the house made by Kitty, and so Kitty become angry and wants to kick the Dolly. So he put up his legs. But what happened? Because of that shoes, Kitty's position was like she was dancing on one foot. Means her one foot was on the earth floor and one leg is upside. So everyone start laughing. So finally Kitty said, okay, I will forgive you. What is mean by forgive? Forgive means let go or not going to punish. And Kitty said, I will forgive you, Dolly. So what happened? That upside leg comes down. Means Kitty understood when she wants to do any bad thing, that shoes are not cooperate with Kitty. But Kitty done a very good thing at that time, that shoes are helping to Kitty. For checking this, what Kitty did? Kitty asked one boy named Willie that I will help you to get the ball from hedge. Hedge means what? A row of bushes. For compound, we planted a bushes like in a row. That's called hedge. And one boy's ball is on the hedge. And what happened? Because of shoes, Kitty wants to help that boy. At that time what happened? We will see here. Come. The shoes lightly lifted her over the high hedge. How could you do it? Cried the surprised boys. Kitty laughed and began to dance, pleased that there was a good side to the shoes after all. The twiddled and twisted with pretty airy bounds. Her feet bewitched. The girls were charmed and tried to imitate her, but no one could, and she danced till the bell rang. When Kitty decided to help the Willy, what happened? Kitty was lifted high towards the bushes and easily Kitty get the ball and give to the Willy. So Willy surprised and cried loudly. How could you do this? And other girls also imitate or try to do like Kitty, but no one can do like Kitty. So Kitty feel happy and she danced with happily. Okay, we will learn remaining part in the next session.